Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to take a look at where you can find the VIN number on a Mitsubishi. So open the driver's door, and if you look at the frame right here, you'll find the VIN number, the sticker that shows you a few things. You can see the VIN number is right down here at the bottom. Right here you have the year that the vehicle was manufactured, March 2019 in this case. Right down here you have the PIN code, and you have a few other things, the gross vehicle weight and some other details about this vehicle. There's one other place where you can find the VIN number, and that is right down here on the lower corner. You can see the VIN number is right there and can be seen right through the windshield. You can see the VIN number is right there. That's it. Thanks for watching.